This amount does all the job. One song, one family. I want so one family. You don't picture. The last time I shaved my face, I was pregnant, so it's time to dermaplane my face. Not dermaplane. I love to shoot like this. So even if on Facebook, on TikTok, on Instagram, it should be like this. I love to shoot like this. I think it's fine. What do I need for this? My cleansing bar, aloe vera gel, the shaving pen or stick. This amount does all the job. Yeah. So if you ask us why do women shave their face, I just like it. I like the feel. I am not a hairy person, but I like it. So I do as I like because again, it's so this nice. So we are all done, and I've rinsed my face just with water and hydrates. So, and that's the max. Do I even need to do max? Oh, my face feels so hydrated. So but see, there's always extra product. Look at this. There's always extra products, right? I have to add it everywhere. My face is so hydrated, but though I know it's an external hydration, but even at that, I love how soft my skin is. Almighty Father, take this, your people offer you. When sin divide us, take a step. One song, one family. I want so one family. You don't picture. Oh, my skin is fine. So that's all. That's not all. I'm still going to apply my moisturizer. It needs something to be sealed with. Okay, see. Just apply my moisturizer, but I'll be light and light. Okay. So currently, this is how hydrated my skin is. So I have to go lie down with something so all the moisture seeps into my skin, and so that's all. A hydrated skin, a hydrated body, and